Enjoy water views in this 3-bedroom, 2-bath, and 2-car garage pool home. The Gardenia floor plan boasts an open great room floor plan with a 12-feet double tray ceiling in the great room, 11-feet tray ceilings in the master, dining, foyer area, and a butler pantry. Enjoy the Isles of Collier Preserve lifestyle with a state-of-the-art fitness facility, resort-style community pool, lap pool, full-service restaurant, a paddle board, and kayak launch connecting to Naples Bay, tennis, pickleball, walking and biking trails, and so much more in this guard-gated community.